Gay with me again, phone. All right. So we have all three vets. We have the silver one, or metallic gray. We have the red Mako paint job vet. And we have the maroon 88. All here. And what's that? That's a garage. And we're going to go into it right now. And with the fantastic world of video editing. Dun, dun, dun. It's packed with all the shit that I had to move into my new house with. So, as we go over the next few months, we're going to be clearing up and cleaning out. These three blowers are for sale. You'll find them on Craigslist if you want them. There's my 1992 Sport Superbike replica, number 245. Was running when I put it into the garage. And we got whole bunches of stuff. Look at all those jack stands over there. Cool. And we got more jack stands over here. Of course, no garage should be without its own liquid fridge. And then we got jack stands down there. So, this is going into the basement. That's going elsewhere. That's going into the basement. That's staying here but moving back there. There's boxes back there that are being moved to the basement. And those shelving units will be pushed into there along with the bike. There's more things over here. Up. And it just started raining. Oh, lovely. But yeah. We've got a garage to work on the vets. So guess what's going to be happening soon? We're going to be working on the vets. I already got the liquid wall just about parsed out, every little bit of space. Got target top to the red one, the replacement one, along with its replacement plexi right there. That's going to be a video replacing that. Yeah, quite a bit. Oh yes, we have our garage friends. We got him. Forget his name. Max. And we got Zafat Gun. Little things in my garage. So yeah, so we're definitely going to be starting back up on the vets. As soon as I get this basically cleared out. I just moved into this house. It's a great house. I just got quite a few things I have to take care of. Everything that's here is going elsewhere. Everything that's there is going elsewhere. Everything that's back there is going elsewhere. So the room is here to be able to work on a vet. And that's what we're going to do. And this is going out into my shed. This guy, the cub. And we're going to go from there.